Babe, have you been making homemade marshmallows again?
No. Do not eat these. I have been on a quest to perfect our dishwasher tablet recipe. To be totally honest, normally I just keep it in the powder because it's just one less step. But I wanted to try making the tablets and I want it to be perfect. So these are all the trial runs and I think we finally figured it out.
So now that we have our recipe down, it is time to make the perfect dishwasher detergent tablets.
So this recipe will work if you want to just keep it in the powder or you want to make a tablet. Either way, so 2 recipes, 2 for 1 deal. So first we're gonna get our supplies set up. We're gonna need a large bowl to mix everything in. And I like to use a fine mesh strainer just to make sure there's no lumps or clumps. And we need 1 cup baking soda. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of coarse salt to our bowl. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of washing soda. Next, we are going to add a 1/2 cup of borax. It's almost my face. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of citric acid. Thank you. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients, which are just water and essential oil. We are going to use 1.5 tablespoons of water, and I mean 1.5 tablespoons. I tried it with 2 tablespoons and that was too much. 1, not enough. So 1.5 it is. It might be a little different for you based on how moist your dry ingredients are. So later I'll show you the texture that we're going for. Alright, so we're going to add essential oils because they smell good, but also because they are helpful for cleaning. And normally I would use lemon, but I'm out of lemon, so I'm going to use this one. How do you say that?
Litsia cubiba.
I don't really know how to say it.
Oh,
but it kind of smells citrusy.
okay, it's probably like cubeba.
I don't know. I have to look it up now. Anyway, 1/2 teaspoon. We are going to use our KitchenAid mixer to mix all of this together really well.
I got it.
Oh, hello.
Hey! Been here long?
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, not that long.
Me too. Oh, hi.
While you're down there. Okay, now here is the super secret part. You have to do the wet ingredients like so slowly, just drop by drop and let them incorporate. Otherwise, your whole mixture is reacting too fast and it will just expand.
Ask us how we know.
I have 4 bags to prove that theory.
All right, so this is the moment of truth.
So you know it's ready when it'll like clump together and hold like wet sand. That's how you know you have the right amount of liquid to dryness. So next we're going to put the mixture into these silicone molds. They're just candy molds. These fit perfectly in that little slot in our dishwasher, but really any shape will work.
Choose your weapon.
So we looked around the house for something that we could use to help smush them into the cavities. And these little dominoes were the perfect size.
Oh.
But you could use your fingers too. Here, let's put this in the middle. Should we race?
No. Oh.
Unnecessary.
I was thinking that would give me an advantage in the race, but then I'm not doing anything over here.
Yeah. It's smush time.
I realized being completely OCD is definitely a minus in this race.
Got my first layer in.
Oh, I pushed mine with the domino side
I did
down.
that too. It doesn't really matter.
You want domino?
No, I wanted the other one, but mine was still kind of had leftover stuff stuck on it from the last time I made these. So actually the domino side was better.
Should consider just washing that off, maybe.
Yeah, but I didn't want it to be wet when I did it again, because then it would react with the stuff.
Yeah, I mean like washing it off when we're done here, not
Oh,
like
yeah.
right before you start the next one.
Speaking of OCD and liking things clean.
I don't think it's OCD to like things clean. Just like it normal. I think this is in my way for a right-handed person. That's probably why I'm gonna lose. Well, it's too late now.
Yeah, so you ran the numbers for how much these cost us. And it turns out, as per usual, it's cheaper to make it yourself. Do you remember what it was?
No.
Oh, put you on the spot. I think it was like...
It was twice as cheap, but I think maybe it was 31 cents a load for your standard like Tide Pods.
Yeah.
And these tablets came out to be almost exactly a little under 15 cents a rectangle. So slightly more than twice as cheap.
Sweet. Anything cheaper helps. Plus, I'm sure it's got better ingredients.
Better ingredients, better dishwasher detergent.
Yeah.
Almost ran afoul of some copyright there.
I'm gonna do that. Switch into my...
Oh, giving up on the domino.
It's starting to get sticky. So I think I did about 3 layers in mine.
Well, I suppose if it takes you 3 layers, it takes you 3 layers. It doesn't take everybody 3 layers.
What are you on?
My first, but I don't think it'll take me 3.
We got a little bit extra, so I'm gonna use this little heart mold.
You want me to go get the heart dominoes?
Oh. Nope, we don't have a good smusher. This one.
You are the good smusher. You know, my nickname in high school was the good smusher.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Way to go.
I didn't see that.
Kids.
No.
Just want to tell your dishwasher how much you love it. Give it a heart-shaped dishwasher, homemade dishwasher pod. Alright, I'm gonna go wash my hands off. That's my favorite part, because my hands get all bubbly.
The little things in life. Oh, can you wash my domino? Okay, so we let these sit overnight and they got nice and hard and they came out perfect because I finally nailed the dry ingredient to water ratio, and so I just love the way that they turned out. They work great, and now I'll just pop them all out and add them to my cute little jar and they'll be ready to go whenever I need to run the dishwasher, which as a family of 7 is like once a day. And just a reminder, if you don't want to do this extra water step, you can totally leave it as the powder and that works amazing too. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.